Alright, so I'm vlogging from the phone today, but I'm about to return or ship a package off from my eBay store. Let's get it. Alright, so I shipped off my package. But anyways, I'm gonna go get a car wash. Alright, I'm at HEB. I heard they have some good gas prices. This is the first gas pump that I've seen at the screen, but we'll have to try it out. I had to go up to the place and pay inside. I had to go over there. And so I gave her like $10 because my gas is like really cheap. I went from like half to like pretty much nothing happened. Alright, we made it to the Nike factory place. I feel like they were too expensive, so I'll get a free return. Alright, we're at the place. Let's see the outside of the car. Alright, I got my food, Chick-fil-A, and this is how clean my car is. There's some spots because for some reason at the place there was like nothing to dry your car, so I just had to like dry it from the wind. I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A, and then next thing I'll do, I'll be putting license plate frames on. Yep. Alright, since the gas thing didn't really work last time, I'm here at another gas station, 7-Eleven, and I'm gonna see if I can actually get a full tank this time and see if the machine actually works. Alright, so I'm at another gas station because the other one wouldn't let me pay or get gas. So $20. This is why I have a Civic. Alright, so I covered the license plate with some blue tape, but now I'm going to put these license plate frames on the back and on the front. I'm not gonna record this whole thing. I'll show you what it looks like when I get finished with it though.